Bhavik Hathi, Managing Director at A&M Transaction Advisory Group, joins us on the phone line from Mumbai. Bhavik, thanks very much for joining us this afternoon. So HDFC Life and Max Life are in merger talks. And if it does come through, this could create the largest private player in the Indian insurance sector. What do you make of this proposed merger?
Yeah, it's a very interesting development. Obviously happened very quickly, but it clearly shows the path that the insurance industry is going to take ahead. I think there's clear wave of consolidation happening. We've seen HDFC doing something similar on the general insurance side as well. And considering that the insurance industry has now overcome the initial growth trajectory and has now started to break even, I think we will see more and more companies look at consolidation, especially considering that people are building up cash reserves and will look to deploy it more meaningfully and grow their book. So clearly this is a step in the right direction in my view.
Okay, what in terms of there's one prickly point, and that is the shareholding in the case of Max Life, with Axis also a shareholder, 5.99% stake. Do you see that as introducing a level of complexity, assuming everything else in the evaluation process seems to make sense?
Yeah, I'm sure there will be complexity, and I believe one of the key rationales for the merger would, at least on the Max side, would be to gain access to HDFC's bank assurance network. So obviously there will be some challenges. But obviously IRDA has opened up bank assurance to multi players as well. So I think it'll be interesting to see how Axis would react to that. But that's something I'm sure will be worked out as things go ahead.
Okay, and I know we're jumping the gun because right now the companies in question are going to conduct an evaluation, so the due diligence exclusive pact for that. But I did want to leverage your understanding of the insurance space to address this question. What about the portfolio at Max Life and at HDFC Life makes sense for a coming together? Is there a portfolio match?
So yes, HDFC, if you see, has largely been a ULIP player versus Max has been more of a traditional player. If you see the mix, so from that point of view, I think it's a good portfolio match as well. HDFC was obviously the more aggressive of the two. So I think from an overall match point of view, I think it's a perfect merger. Obviously, there are a lot of other things from an operational standpoint which will need to be taken care of. But from a product point of view and from the point of view of HDFC, it's suddenly catapulting to #1 position, as well as Max now getting access to the entire HDFC bancassurance channel. I think it's a very good, it's a very, very interesting merger.